Flying solo today as we had a bit of a late night, so I had to have it at line. So I'm meeting Airtime John today, and we're going to celebrate Rollercoaster weekend with a few goes on Nemesis. Celebrate his 25th birthday. So as I say, it's going to be sunny today. Park probably busy. It's not busy at the moment because it's about 8:15 in the morning, but I think this is the calm before the storm. I heard Wickerman and Nemesis testing on the way around, so decide when that John gets here whether we're going to go Nemesis first or Wickerman, but it should be a good day. Sun's still out. So now joining us mid-morning, John's joined me.
Hello everyone, you alright?
Pretty much done everything now, haven't we?
Yeah, we've smashed it this morning.
So now we're going to the area what we've came here for today, and what I'm going to vlog about Nemesis.
Happy
Nemesis.
birthday.
Happy birthday. So hopefully all the signage is still up so we can film that. See if we can get a few goes on this. It's not going to be an epic 10.
We're not doing 25.
Nah. Well, if we can, we might.
Yeah, we might.
But we're not. So it's going to have a few goes on the old girl. Doing some bit geek shotting. You enjoying your geek shotting?
We are having the most intense geek session we've ever had.
So what was your, did you enjoy your first go on Nemesis today?
Brilliant, brilliant. I love it, as always, I always love it, but I don't know why I felt quite special that. I don't know if it's because I sort of built it up in my own head as, you know, a birthday ride. I don't know, but it was very intense for this time of day.
It was, and on the third row as well, which is quite weird, but we're just taking a few shots and we're going to go and get a coffee, and here she comes. Where are you? There's a queue line to meet John Wardley. He goes all the way up there, and he's the creator of Nemesis. Not sure we'll be able to see him. There's like a Nemesis montage in the background there. There he is. We've queued ages for this. There he is. There's the man himself. I'm talking about him. There he is.
The real John.
The real John. You didn't crank Nemesis though?
No.
I'm just looking at the backdrop for this flag. So cool. Good artwork. But here he is in closer detail. Try not to get those people on. You can buy his book as well if you want. John Wardley, everyone. So the entrance to Forbidden Valley, which is just up there, as you come in, you've got Blade here also, old school pirate ship. You've got Forbidden Trucks, which is a motorised car game. Elliot does love these. You've also got a nice little viewing platform, which is just down there, which is the valleys. We've done a lot of filming in the valleys today, haven't we?
An awful lot of filming in the valleys.
But I do like those, the shots that you can get from down there. Obviously you got the monorail that flicks across the top. Nice little coffee lounge down here with sells alcohol, Costa inside. The queue for John Wardley still going strong, as we can see. You can get down these steps here, which you can get to some more eateries which are back up that way, and then you've got Galactica, which is just down there, and then you've got the photo booth. So that is Forbidden Valley pretty much. One thing I didn't notice, that on the truck that they have at the end of the ride, and the amount of times I've stood here filming the corkscrew and whatever, there's a seat at the front with a machine gun. Never noticed that before, whether it's new or not. And I love the fact that it's Mushroom Cloud Tours. So as you come out of Nemesis, you can walk down this way and get a good view of Galactica's lift hill. So if you're looking to see your friends and family on the front row, this is how you do it. Right. And then at the back end of Forbidden Valley, you've got Galactica's area, where you've got the shop over there, the Rollercoaster restaurant, which is just there, and then Galactica. And then at night, they do open that park, that gate there, to get to the parking areas. Bonus footage of Galactica. We're flying through the sky in our own VIP capsule sky ride as we head back over to Nemesis Forbidden Valley for the extra ride time. It's not like an event, it's just because of the National Rollercoaster Day to celebrate Nemesis' 25th anniversary. So we can see how many times we can go on here now. We have to meet twice today. Actually, I think we've only done it once. Look, there's a lot of people going down the park, so hopefully it's going to be quiet. See how it goes, we can get on it. It's just gone 5 to 6, it's a 5-minute wait. See how many goes we can get on it in the next hour. We'll go around and then we'll give you a count at the end. So that's it, the end of the day. We managed to do 5, back row, front row, and then 3 in the middle. She's going to come screaming around. Still going. We wouldn't have done, we tried to do 1 on every row, but didn't quite work out. The queue got bigger and bigger and bigger. But I've had a great day with Mr. John.
Great day, really good day actually, really good day.
Yeah, stuck with that challenge, but
yeah. I'm happy with 5,
yeah.
5, and a nice end to the day on the front row, we can't go wrong. Cheers. Happy birthday, Nemesis.
Happy birthday, Nemesis. So that about does it. So I hope you enjoyed my little ditty with celebrating Nemesis' 25th and a little look around Forbidden Valley. So thanks for watching. Do all that good stuff. Subscribe, link down below, whatever we do, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.